Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you 2 easy salads and 1 spicy sauce that goes really well with both of them. The ingredients are the same for both except for the meat part. We're going to use some cabbage, some limes, carrot, onion, and Roma tomato, and some cucumber too. For the first salad, I'm using medium cooked shrimp. It's already been peeled and deveined. I will also be taking off the tails. And now we're gonna add some lime juice. I used 3 limes for this part just to let the shrimp soak in the lime juice. And then we're gonna need a couple more. So definitely have around 6 or 7 total limes. We're gonna just season it with some garlic salt. You can also add some cayenne pepper for some spice. We did not because we're sharing this salad with our kids, but the cayenne pepper really would give it a really good flavor. And now we're cutting up some cucumber and Roma tomato, and as you can see, I take out the middle of it just because I want to avoid the salad being very squishy and runny, but this is also optional. And then we're gonna add some sliced carrots. And as you can see, I didn't even use a complete carrot. My husband kind of just doesn't really like carrots. So the amount of veggies is really up to your preference. You can omit or, change up some of them as well. The cabbage is really what makes the salad so crunchy and just gives it such a really good taste. So definitely recommend to use cabbage other than lettuce or any other type of greenery. And then I just sliced a little bit of onion, added about 2 more limes. I added a little bit of black pepper, and then I also added a little bit of more garlic powder. And then I just mixed it up, and then it's ready. You can eat the salad with Valentina, tapatio, on top of a tostada with chips, however you want. But I am gonna be making a sauce that's gonna go really good with it. The salsa ingredients are super simple. I'm gonna use 4 to 5 toasted chiles de árbol, and then 2 chiles chipotles that are from a can, and then 2 spoons of sour cream, 1 of mayo, and 1 freshly squeezed lemon. I also did add salt, and then you're just gonna blend it and it's done. You can add more chile or you can take away some chile, whatever your preference is, but the salsa is so delicious. And you can also use it on another salad, which is gonna have the same exact ingredients, except for instead of shrimp, you're gonna replace it with some imitation crab meat. Or you can do just 1 salad and add both imitation crab meat and shrimp, and it'll be so good. What makes the salad so delicious is the salsa. I really hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.